Yes, students, good morning. Today we will start chapter 7 coordinate geometry. Basic concept of coordinate geometry you have already learned or studied in class 9th. Here next part of coordinate geometry we will start, that is the distance formula. Topic is distance formula. Yes, suppose A is any point whose coordinate is x1, y1, B is another point whose coordinate is x2, y2. So, distance AB is taken as distance AB is written as square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or we can also write distance AB is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Distance from origin. Distance from origin like this one. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is point origin whose coordinate is 0, 0. P is any point whose coordinate is x, y. So, distance OP is equal to x square plus y square. Using two formulas or identity, we will do the exercise 7.1. Exercise 7.1. See the question number first, third part. Points are given to you A, B and minus A, minus B. This is A point, this is B point, its coordinate is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So, distance AB is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is whole square. So, putting the value, x2 is minus a minus x1 is also a plus y2 is minus b, y1 is b whole square. Minus a, it becomes minus 2a whole square, minus b, it becomes minus 2b whole square. So, it is 4a square plus 4b square. Taking 4 common, a square plus b square, and square root of 4 is 2, square root a square plus b square. So, this is the third part of question first. Now, find the distance. Second question, find the distance between the points 0, 0, 36, 15. Can you know the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2. See the question number second. Points are given 0, 0 and 36, 15. So, when points are given 0, 0, so this is origin point, this is any point P. Points is 0 0, so distance from origin is taken as OP is equal to x square plus y square. This is x, this is y. 36 square plus 15 square. 36 square is 36 into 36, 1296. Six 216, 108 ठीक है, plus 225. Now added 1 2 5 1. This is square root 1251. Take the square root of 1521. 3 3 ja 6, 2 1, 3 and 3 6, 7 ja no, 9 ja 9 9 ja 81, 9 6 ja 54, 8 62. So it will be 39 into 39, that is 39 unit. So distance is written as unit. See the question number 3rd. If the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are collinear, third question, 1, 5, 2, 3, minus 3, minus 11. These are the 3 points A, B and C. If the sum of the two distances is equal to third distance, then the point will be the collinear. Like first find out AB. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. 2 minus 1 whole square, 3 minus 5 whole square, 1 square plus minus 2 square, that is 1 plus 4, root 5. Value of root 5 taking as up to 2 place, 2 2 ja 4, 1, 2 and 2 4, 0, point, 2 ja 84, 42 2 ja 16, again zeros, 44, 3 ja 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 13. So this is approximate is 2.23. Now find BC. B is 2 3, C is minus 3, minus 11. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. BC, again apply the formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So it is minus 5 square plus minus 14 square. So it will be 25 plus 196, 221. Take the square of 221, make it pair, take 1, 1 ja, 1 left, 121, 1 and 1 2, 4 ja, 96, 11 minus 6 5, 11 minus 9 2, 24 and 4 28. This is the point. Eight ja, 8 8 ja 64, 6, 8 8 ja 64 and 4, 64 and 6, 70, 8 2 ja 16 or 7, 23. Two 92, approximate 6, 6 6 ja 36, 6 2 ja 12 or 3 15, 6 9 ja 54 or 55, 6 2 ja 12 or 5 17. Approximate is 14.86. Now find out AC. AC, A is 1 5, C is minus 3 minus 11. AC is, apply again, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, minus 4 square, minus 16 square, 16 plus 256, 272, its square root, 1 1 ja, 172, 2, 7, we're taking 6, 6 6 ja 36, 6 2 ja 12 or 3 15, 12 minus 6 6, 6 00, 26 or 6 32, 4 ja, again 00, 328, 9 ja, 16.49. So AB plus AC, AB plus BC, that is 2.23 plus 14.86, which is not equal to 16.49. So A, B, C are not collinear. The sum of two sides is not equal to the greater one third side, so points are not collinear. So you will do it fourth question yourself. Now